After spending nearly a month in a Corpus Christi hospital on the brink of death, a former ICU nurse and business owner is warning people to take COVID-19 seriously. 43-year-old Ricky Alanis was not vaccinated when he contracted the virus. Chris 6 News anchor Taylor Alanis spoke with him about what he experienced in the ICU and has his story.
The stuff that I saw in the hospital, I'm trying to forget. I have nightmares now.
Still on a long road to recovery, 43-year-old Ricky Alanis says he's thankful to be alive, a far cry from a few weeks ago.
I begged several times whoever would listen or come into my room, if they would please just take my life. Like, beg for death. Couldn't breathe.
The owner of Buffalo Wings in Flower Bluff says the pandemic hit his business hard, so he spent the last year working to get recertified as an ER and ICU nurse, a job he worked for 11 years.
I was supposed to start the week that Tuesday, that week that I went into the hospital and never came out.
In late July, he contracted COVID-19. He wasn't vaccinated.
My thing was, I didn't do well with vaccines before. I was going to wait for a little bit more.
Alanis was admitted to Bay Area, the hospital he used to work at.
You hear the codes. There's not enough nurses. There's not enough respiratory therapists.
By the second week, he was given time to communicate with his loved ones before he was taken to the ICU.
And to call all our family. So we did. I got to say my goodbyes.
His family, friends, coworkers, even strangers held a vigil and continuously prayed for Alanis. And after pneumonia, a collapsed lung, breathing machines, and several rounds of antibody treatments, Alanis was released from Bay Area.
My youngest daughter, she was 10 at the time. She just turned 11 on August 20th, the day I came home. That was a great birthday present for her.
He says he doesn't want to tell people to get the vaccine or not, but he hopes his story inspires others to be vigilant.
I can tell you from my own personal experience, I'll be vaccinating myself.
Taylor Alanis, Chris 6 News.